In this example, you're the owner of a chain of retail stores, okay? And one of your drinks cooler in one of your stores is not working. Now, this drinks cooler is pretty important, obviously, to keep all the drinks cold. So you got this quote from Cool Tech Appliance Services to repair that cooler. This is your name, Urban Sips Retail Company. This is, let's say, you, and you received this quote for diagnostic service call, thermostat replacement, compressor evaluation, and so forth. And you got this estimated total from them of $505. Now, you don't know if this is a good quote, it's a bad quote. How do you really figure this out? So let's use AI for that. I'm going to use ChatGPT, but you can use any AI, that's fine. I'm going to bring in the actual quote that I just showed you, PDF format, just put it in here as an attachment. And then I'm going to put in a specific prompt saying, I received the attached repair quote for fixing a drinks cooler at my store. Okay. I need to understand the price comparison, the company reputation of this company that is sent me this quote. I need to understand if there's better alternatives, and I want it for Chicagoland area because in my case I live in Chicago. Assume this quote is recent. Be specific in your findings and go. This will take a minute or two. I'm going to pause and come back. It's done. So it did the price comparison here, company reputation, better alternatives, and a summary table. Now, I did all that very specifically because I asked it to do it. So the way you prompt it is going to be extremely important. The prompt, the more specific it is, the better the result. And of course, be sure to attach one or more specific supporting documentation that it can reference. So in this example, I showed how easy it is to assess a price quote that you have received with other alternatives. Hope this helps.